Hello bargain fans, I have a couple of items I'll show you that I purchased recently that seem to be pretty good bargains. I will begin with cranberry sauce. There was a sale at Kroger yesterday and I got the cranberry sauce, and this is the Ocean Spray brand of cranberry sauce for, show it this camera, 25 cents. 25 cents. Got a couple of cans of that to have in the future. And another item that was on sale at Kroger was the Nestle makes the very best chocolate. Nestle chocolate. I got the chocolate chips for cookies, and the price, I bought 6 packages of this because I use these for snacks when I'm watching a movie. The price was 15 cents. 15 cents. Got 6 packages. And I'm sure I will enjoy that. And one other item that I'll show you, I bought a brand new old car. I got a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. And I'm sure that there's going to be something wrong with it. I have no idea yet what. I haven't driven it that far, but seems to be in pretty good shape for its age. And I got it for $500 less than the low number at Kelley Blue Book for the value of the car. So I have no complaints. Life is great, and I do suggest for any of you who are planning on getting anything in the next few months, get it now. And I'm talking about especially canned food, food that lasts on the shelves for a long time. Last time I didn't mention peanut butter and other things like that, but let me show you the Dodge Caravan that I just bought today. Here is the old car, a Ford, 1995. Ford still runs okay, but needs to have some doors fixed on it. And here's my new old car. It's a Dodge 2005 Caravan, and it seems to be in reasonably good shape. And the seats fold down into the floor. There's lots of room inside. And it's got doors all over the place. There it is from the back. There's a little storage area down there. And I thank you very much for watching.